In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders in Zoho WorkDrive. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently share your content with your teammates or anyone else who needs access. Even if you're new to WorkDrive, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Zoho WorkDrive in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main WorkDrive page, look for the section called Recent Files. This is usually one of the first views you see, and it shows the files you've opened or worked on most recently. It's a handy place to start because the item you want to share is often something you've accessed not long ago. Next, move over to the left-hand panel and click on My Folders. This area contains all the folders and files in your private space. Think of My Folders as your personal workspace inside WorkDrive, where you organize your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files. Now, browse through your folders and locate the specific file or folder you want to share. When you find it, you'll notice a small box next to the item, usually on the left side of its name. Click on this box to select that file or folder. Selecting it this way tells WorkDrive that this is the particular item you want to perform actions on, including sharing. Once the file or folder is selected, look towards the top or near the item options and find the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where you control who can access your file and what they're allowed to do with it. After clicking Share, a sharing panel or pop-up will appear. Here, you'll see several options depending on your organization's settings. Typically, you can share the item with specific people by entering their email addresses, or you can generate a shareable link. At this stage, click on Share again to confirm that you want to proceed with sharing the selected file or folder. Before you finish, take a moment to review the access permissions. Decide whether people can view, comment, or edit the content, and adjust the settings accordingly. When everything looks good, finalize the share. Your file or folder is now shared through Zoho WorkDrive, and your collaborators will be able to access it based on the permissions you set.